Welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and it works. Before we get started, listen, do all the stuff, the YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, and let's get started. Listen, I took the MetaQuest 3, put it on travel mode, got inside the car. Somebody else was driving, all right? That's really important, right? It's really important. Somebody else was driving. I watched the movie. Perfect. It stayed right there. I was able to look left, right, out the window, had a big giant 70-inch screen in front of me watching YouTube. Crazy. That's crazy. That done changed trips. That changed everything. Planes, car rides, it changed everything. Because now I can play, you can play the MetaQuest 3 and the MetaQuest 2 in the car, on those rides, on those long rides to family house or wherever you gotta go, road trips. Take your quest, relax, and play a movie. Also, it plays games too. I was playing Max Mustard, which is a great game, by the way. I was playing Max Mustard in there. Perfect. No tracking issues, nothing. I just played the game like normal. Zuck got a banger right now. And they got some kind of thing they got with airlines where when you get on the plane, if you got first class anyway, they're going to give you a headset. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? But bring your own, take it on, load some movies up in there, watch movies, play games. Listen, I just, hotspotted to my phone and I was good. So imagine what you could do on the plane with a little bit of internet. I just want to let you guys know it works. It works. So listen, get your headset out on that next road trip. Get your headset out when you go on that plane ride. Get your headset out when you go on that bus ride. You got a bus and people be all over the place. Throw your headset on and it's just you and your movie and your games. Listen, it works. Thanks again. I'll catch y'all in another one. Peace.